Snapseed new update is crazy, guys. Look at this photo. Before, acne, dark spots, uneven skin. And this is after editing in Snapseed. No Photoshop, no paid apps, no AI tools. Just Snapseed. In this video, I shall show you exact settings I use to remove pimples, smooth skin naturally and get this clean professional look. Let's start. First, open Snapseed app. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this look. This is the updated Snapseed app. You can update Snapseed app from Play Store. Okay. Now, first open your photo in Snapseed. For that, just click on Add Photo. Select your photo. First step, go to Tools and select Healings tool. Now, just zoom the photo and just tap on the dark spots, pimples. Remove the major pimples and dark spots one by one, like this. Do not worry about making it perfect. Okay, you can see the difference. Now just click on Apply. Second step, click on Tools and just select Portrait tool. Now you will see skin smoothing, and below that you will see the percentage level. You can adjust this percentage level by dragging this arrow like this. So I'm keeping the skin smoothing around 56. Okay, now if I want to change other settings, just click on these two arrows. Okay, so from here I can change other settings. So if I want to change eye brightening, just click on eye brightening and just increase it little bit. I'm keeping it 19. Next, eyebrow definition, keep it around 15. Okay, eye bag removal, keep it around 35. Iris clarity 20. You can adjust these settings by your photo. Okay, lips, keeping it around 31. And last, face spotlight 10%. Okay, you can see the instant difference. Okay, now click on Apply. Now third step, click on Tools, open Toon Image tool. Now click on two arrows, click on contrast level and just increase it little bit. Ambience, reduce it. Highlight, reduce it little bit and increase the shadow. Okay, and simply click on Apply. Now fourth step, now here is the hidden trick. Okay, click on Tools and select Selective tool. Now add points on cheek, forehead and chin. Okay, red spot on the cheek. Okay, now just click on these two arrows and click on Structure. Now just decrease the structure level. You can see the difference. Keep it around 40. Again, if I want to add a point, just click on this add symbol and simply click on anywhere on the face. Okay, so I have click here. Okay, again, if I want to reduce the structure level, just click on these two arrows, click on Structure, and from here you can decrease the structure level. Let me show you the difference. This is before and this is after. Before and after. It looks perfect. Now just click on Apply. Now last, final step, click on Tools. Now we will add some glow. For that, just click on, scroll down and just click on Glamour Glow. Here are some styles. You can see which style suits on your photo. Okay, so it looks good on this photo. Okay. So now from here you can adjust the glow. Click on two arrows and from here you can also adjust the saturation and the warmth. Okay, it looks perfect. So I'm just keep clicking on Apply. And here's our final picture. You can see the before one and the after one. Before one and after one. It looks perfect. And to save the picture, just click on the export and click on save.